what do we have here? We have the Blaster X tail light from Custom LED for the 2019 Super Duke GT. So let's unbox this and see what we get. Got a few peanuts in the box. Haven't seen peanuts in a while, to be honest with you. Got this box right here. Let's take a look at that. Custom LED 2014 through 2019. I'm pretty sure this will fit the 2020 KTM 1290 Super Duke R and the GT. So this is the Blaster X integrated tail light, which includes the signal lights. And this is actually the smoke lens. They do carry a clear lens, but the factory tail light on the Super Duke GT is smoked, and it looks really good. Figured I'll go back with the smoke. And we have some more peanuts. Like I said, I haven't actually seen peanuts in a while. So let's get the light out and take a look and see what that's about. What we have here, we have their card. All right, for anybody that's interested in purchasing from them. All right, we have a sticker, and we have some instructions. All right, I'll let you guys take a look at that really quick. All right, they go over the installation. They tell you about the running light and brake light function, the blinker function, the strobe function, and then there's some troubleshooting. I'll move my fingers out the way. There's some troubleshooting right there. Let's take a look at the back and see what's going on. And then on the back, there's programming instructions on how to program the tail light. All right. If you need to read any of this stuff, you can actually pause the video. Should be able to see it pretty decent. All right. So let's put this stuff off to the side. Let's put these peanuts back inside here. You guys don't mind watching me putting peanuts in, right? There's going to be some ungrateful person that's going to complain about that, but it's okay. It's not that many peanuts. Set that off to the side. And we'll open here this bubble wrap. This is the tail light here. And this is the smoked version. All right. So let's get it open. All right. I should have had some scissors, but I don't. That's what happens when you get excited. Let me just rip this whole thing. All right, so this is the smoke lens. All right, if you look, let's take a look at how it would be on the motorcycle. Truth be told, the stock lens is actually darker than this. But I'm actually okay with this one. All right, if you can see the actual I'll call that the board back here that houses the LEDs. That's actually black. So it gives it more of a stealth look. Let's take a look here. All right, and one thing that I do like about custom LED that some other manufacturers don't do. Let's turn this around, we take a look. If you look right here, these are your factory connections. All right, so when you take that mud flap off if you decide to or not. You don't have to worry about cutting, soldering, splicing, tapping in, posi connectors, any of those things. All right. We have our turn signal wire, these two. All right. And then we have the factory connection for our brake light. And then this gray wire right here. All right. You can either purchase a switch from them, and this gray wire will allow you to use the strobe feature and do some programming on the tail light. So I'll turn this around. I'll put it down. I'm just going to show you one last thing. I know Custom LED sells a switch, like I was saying before, to program the tail light and to activate the strobe feature. I don't really like their switch. It's not bad, but there's this company that I like to deal with. Let me show them to you. All right, so if you look here, this one is a, when it says red LED, basically what happens is there's a button. You see that button? When you press that button, all right, there's different ways to wire it, but the way I usually wire mine is that when you press that button, the red LED activates and it turns on to let you know that whatever this is connected to is actually on. All right, in this case, when I want my strobe feature to work, what I'm going to do is press this button. This button will turn red and the strobe feature would be on. All right. So red LED, take a look at this website. I want you guys to actually go out. I love these guys too. The shipping is very, very fast. They're amazing. All right. This is the part number that I got. All right. They make a 16 millimeter and a 25 millimeter. I went with the 25 millimeter. This way, when I'm wearing my gloves, I can actually press the button down. They make silver. The style is either silver or black. This one is black. And this one is pre-wired. I would recommend that you get it pre-wired. And they do a really good job pre-wiring. So let's open this really quick and take a look. This is what happens when they pre-wire. They do all the soldering and the heat shrinking for you. All right. So basically you would drill you a hole. All right. Now, even though this is a 25 millimeter switch, the diameter hole that you're going to cut for is going to be 19 millimeters. All right. And basically this would sit in, and then you would turn this back up and your plastic would be between there. That's the button. You guys can hear that. You press it down and it would light red, and you let it go and it'll turn back off. Or you can wire it where this light is always on. All right. Just wanted to show you guys this, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Peace.